For mortgage lenders and servicers, the intersection of foreclosure proceedings and bankruptcy filings is one of the most common and complex situations in secured creditor practice. Here's the strategic framework for navigating foreclosure when a borrower files or threatens to file bankruptcy. The automatic stay stops foreclosure cold. The moment a bankruptcy petition is filed, at any point in the foreclosure process, including the day of a scheduled trustee's sale, the automatic stay halts the foreclosure. This is one of the primary reasons debtors file bankruptcy at the last minute before a scheduled foreclosure sale. Relief from the automatic stay for mortgage creditors under Section 362D. A secured creditor can move for relief from stay on two principal grounds. First, for cause, including lack of adequate protection. A mortgage creditor can argue that the debtor has no equity in the property is not insured, the debtor is not maintaining the property, and the property is depreciating, all of which constitute grounds for lift-stay relief. Second, lack of equity and not necessary for effective reorganization. In Chapter 11 cases, showing the debtor has no equity in the property and the property isn't necessary to any realistic reorganization plan. Chapter 13, as a tool for saving the home. Debtors most often file Chapter 13, specifically to save a home from foreclosure. Chapter 13 allows the debtor to cure mortgage arrears over the 3 to 5 year plan period while maintaining current payments. For the lender, this means the arrears will be paid over time rather than in a lump sum, but the loan ultimately returns to current status if the plan is completed. Chapter 13, Plan Payments versus Feasibility. A Chapter 13 plan that proposes to cure mortgage arrears requires the debtor to make both the ongoing mortgage payment and an additional plan payment for the arrearage. Lenders can challenge plan feasibility if the debtor's income doesn't realistically support both obligations. An unfeasible plan can be dismissed or modified. Post-discharge lien enforcement. After a Chapter 7 discharge, the mortgage lien survives the discharge of the personal obligation. The lender can proceed with foreclosure on the lien, but cannot pursue the borrower personally for any deficiency in non-recourse states or post-discharge. People Locator. Skip tracing assists mortgage servicers in locating borrowers who vacate mortgage properties and identifying related parties. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your order